Welcome in, Music City Trader. Today I'm doing the 30-day challenge. I'm on day 4. And the 30-day challenge here is starting with $30. If you want to follow me on YouTube. If you want to join the inner circle of fascinating world of binary options, you can check that out. The links are all in the description. You can actually get this trading sheet as well. This is what I'm doing today. I'm on day 4. Notice when I get to day 30, I'll be making $1,000 per day. So I'm just inching my way up from $30 to see if I can do this. And so I'm going to just be looking at some charts today and see what happens. They're at 92%. I don't know about the time of day. I just lost all of my tools on Minecraft. I was playing with my son. And man, I get so frustrated with Minecraft because I lost all my stuff. It took me like an hour to get all my stuff, and then I lost it. Okay, so this chart is actually snaking. And I'm going to draw some lines. I've been drawing lines here. What I think is going to happen is I think this is going to go back down. I'm actually going to try some of my double cross strategy today. We haven't been doing that on fascinating binary options, but I think I'm going to do it today. If I can get a double cross out of here, I think this is going to go down, and I think I'm going to do 30 seconds. Man, I mean, yeah, that's you never really know. My bid is supposed to be $6.10. It's got a cross there. What does it look like? It looks like it's in an uptrend. I don't know. It looks pretty uppity at this point. Not sure this has hit its final height, so I'm going to wait and see what happens. This looks like it's up. I'd really like to wait till these cross down. I'd really like to wait for these two indicators to cross down. If that happens, then I think I might take a down bid here. This is up. It starts to turn. If it starts to turn and crosses, I'm going to take a 1.5 minute down bid. It's kind of jagged. This isn't really, this isn't the same method I've been using, but it does look like it's been hitting up, hitting down, hitting up, hitting down, hitting up. If we get a double cross here, man, yeah, that looks like it could. I'm going to wait for the next candle and see how it opens. Yeah, I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait till I get a high. I'm gonna wait for a higher position here. This will be like a bouncer. I don't really know if I want to do it. We got a double cross here. We got a cross. Am I going to anticipate the cross? Yeah, I'm gonna anticipate this cross here. Yeah, I'm gonna anticipate the cross, even though it looks. So I'm glad I put a 1 minute and 30 second bid here, because I'm anticipating this cross and that cross. We got 1 minute and 12 seconds on this trade here. We'll see what happens. I think it's pretty good, actually. But you're kind of anticipating indicators. This is not the way that Todd likes to trade on binary on our fascinating channel. In the Fascinating World Binary Options channel, we're not trading like this. We're actually looking for smooth downtrends. We got 48 seconds on this trade. I really do think, because of the pattern here, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, and because of the cross, the anticipation of this cross was decent. But I'm still not sure about this one. I don't know. I think I could speak positively over it and think it's going to win. It's got some good down pressure, but it looks like it's sort of consolidating if you kind of look at it here. Let's see. I think I'm going to have to find a chart surfing. See if this. I think it's going to go down. I think this next one's going down because I think so. We got 10 seconds. This might be an interesting win. I only need 2. We got 4 seconds. And 2 seconds and 1. Boom. There we go. 2 seconds and 1. That's a win. That's a first win. I just need 2. I'm going to reset this back down to 0. And then I'm going to go look for... So I don't know, that didn't really continue the way I think it was going to do. It hit the top and then it kind of went down. It's kind of janking around. Let's go find a nice smooth uptrend or a nice smooth downtrend. Ooh, that's a nice downtrend. Is it? Yeah, I think I'm going to take this next one. I'm going to take this down. I'm going to wait until it opens. Yeah, no, I'm not going to take that. It still might win, but I was thinking I was going to take that in there, but I'm not going to take that. This looks like another snaky chart. I missed my downtrend here. We're kind of converging indicators here. I don't like that either. Let's see if I can find a good smooth downtrend. Oh. This one's okay. This one's not like the most perfect downtrend I've ever seen, but it's okay. Yeah, none of these are making it perfect for me, making it easy to see. That's against the trend. Nice little up cross, but against the trend, so I can't really enter there. Whoa, that's crazy. Look at that. Let's watch this, because now it broke this. It's sort of heading up, and I'm going to watch these. This is probably going to be red because it's going to not be able to sustain this. I still don't think I'm going to take another bid on this chart because it doesn't really... It's just so much volatility in these big giant candles. If I was going to take anything right here, it'd be an up bid. I'd wait for it to get back down here. But I just don't know that that's going to stay true. And we're definitely at a point of resistance right here. So we're at a major point of resistance there. We broke above here. So my next thought would be maybe a down trade on this, or if it's going to break this resistance. We can't really know. We have to watch this one pretty closely. This is not the surfer trend surfing method. This is a little bit more like, might consolidate around this line. It looks like this next candle will be green, but you really can't know. It's got... Well, I'm gonna take another look and see if I can find an elevator. We're looking for the trend surfing elevator. Oh, that's a nice one actually. It's close to the white line. I don't like when everything's all up in itself like this. I want to see them break away from the white line, or I want to see them heading down from something. Without a lot of wicks. That's kind of a down cross, but yeah, none of these yet. Let's see if I can find other charts. I'm going to keep an eye on this one because I see a pretty good pattern. Oh, look at that. I'm going to take that up. And I'm going to take it up because I found this is Todd's elevator right here. This is interesting. I think this probably will win. It's close to a line of resistance, it could hold this resistance line. It's right about here, but I think it's going to go up to it. I think it probably will. This is interesting. Let's see if it'll happen. It could even break it. It could bounce off it. I got 30 seconds. I don't really want it to bounce off of it. Like I blink my eyes and it's bouncing down, it's bouncing up, bouncing down. But it's kind of crossing through. It's crossed here and it's heading up. The indicator here was spread apart. The indicator here had crossed over. We got 15 seconds. I think this will be a second win today. 12 seconds, 10 seconds. Unless it sort of bounces. We got 10 seconds. I want this to win. It's got 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. There we go. Second win for the day. So there we go. That's beautiful, man. I'm really happy with that. Really happy with that. Really happy with that trade. 2 trades. What I'm doing here is I am finishing out day 4. And I'm going to go ahead and put in my notes here. What is this? March 12th? March 11th was yesterday. March 12th was today. Oh, I got to make this up. So March 11th was yesterday, and I think I did. Well, let me just look in my backlog here, because yesterday I did a couple things. I did. Let me see what I did. Well, I can't. This isn't going to matter because we did other trades last night. So I'm going to have to just remember that yesterday I went to a third bid. So I did a win. Let's say yesterday I did a win, a loss, win. And then that was it. So March 12th, which is today, you saw it, a win. Yeah, baby. So 2 wins. March 12th. That's good. If you want to follow along with the 30-day challenge, I'll explain it real quick. But there is a course. You get this chart, and then you get the Silver Surfer. Well, it's not called the Silver Surfer. I can't call it that anymore. It's called Trend Surfing techniques that Todd and I use. So you're going to get that. Todd and I are putting this together, and it's on fascinatingworldofbinaryoptions.com. And like I said, do not place live trades with me here on this podcast. You do not want to do that because it's not in real time. If you want to trade with us and you want to trade with us in our podcast every night, just simply go to fascinatingworldofbinaryoptions.com, and then you can get this thing. So I've cleared out 4 levels, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm actually on day 5. And actually, I'm not really sure. Let's see. I think that might have been day 5. No, that was right. That was day 4. Day 4. So I've cleared out 4 days. Still going pretty good. I think I'm going to get down to day 30, and then I'm going to break it into different. I'm going to break it down so I can do more losses. So if you like the channel, make sure you subscribe, like the channel. And the 30-day challenge is simple. We're starting with $30, and by the end of 30 days, we'll have $5,000 in our trading account, and we'll be able to pull out $1,000 per day, as long as we don't blow our account, but you only have to put in $30. So check out the online course at fascinatingworldofbinaryoptions.com. This is Music City Trader coming at you. I'm going to wrap this up, but yeah, 2 big wins today, 2 great wins, and I'm going to look at them, and I'm going to put them in the course as studies on how to win. That one was sort of the double cross, and it was sort of a trend. And look at this. This is actually doing that same thing too. It's going up, it's going up, it's going down, it's going up. You could probably win on that again too. All right, I'll see you guys on the next video.